Hi, how are you? Let's see a nice drawing here today. We're going to draw a bus. First, we need to draw the outline. So, all you need to do is to draw a straight line on top, little curve to the outer side, and draw it here. Bring the drawing up to here. Then, this is like this. Alright, in the middle, the bottom part like this, and at the end put it a little curve upward, then connect the lines in the end. Alright, now we can put the wheels here. As you see, this is a circular wheel. There's a middle point. Another wheel we put in the back, and a circle and a smaller circle in the middle. Alright, now we are going to draw the front part here like this. This is a basic outline. This is the lights and the glass, you can see like here. And if you draw a straight line parallel to the roof and draw the line to the end of the bus and draw another line parallel to the previous one and draw it like this, we can put some segments inside like these straight lines to show the divided points of the glasses. The combination of the design for the front door looks like this. Alright, let's draw a straight line for only design purpose. As you see, so this is the outside surface of the transport vehicle. It's a public bus. In many countries you can see this bus for public transportation. And this is the lights at the back. On top you can draw another parallel line and draw like this for lighting and the ventilation purpose. Sometimes you can see the natural ventilation and the lights. Alright, there's a mirror in the front for the driver. And you can see the road under the wheel. So this is the basic outline of the bus. Now let's put a nice color. First we do color the border lines of the outside surface. As you know, we are seeing the bus from the side, so we only color the main structural body. As you see, I'm drawing right now. So we try to put the same color shades here. Alright, so it's going all over the body up to the top, up to the top. You can keep going. So let's make some segments little darker. All right, let's put blue color for the glasses. You can see the blue color for the glasses here. First you draw some horizontal straight lines for the colors in the middle. Then on the side you draw the color vertically. All right, let's put the colors to the mirror in the front. For the light we put this color. Okay, so for the wheels let's put black color. All over the wheel. It's again the black color all over the wheel. All right, so the drawing of the bus is almost done. Let's use the crayons in the bottom to show the roads. All right, so this is the basic drawing of a public bus. I hope you like the videos. Only few details if you want to add, so you can draw along the border lines for more perfections, but this is the main steps what we already have done. So do practice at home. You can draw better than this one. So the more you practice, the better your drawing is going to be. Please subscribe the channel if you like the videos. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.